BeatBo, are you okay? Yes, I'm perfectly fine. Hic! BeatBo, you have a hiccups. Hic! Yes, I do. For Classy Superfan 2012, go on, and now you. Hic! What? It's about me. But I don't have a hiccups. But I do. Hic! I'll find a way to find for cure. Hic! I know. I must find Choir Super and make a photo. Okay. Choir Super and make a photo of here. Hic! Thank you, Splat. Make a photo of Seal. And I'm here. Thank you for coming me. Hic! You have a hiccups. You have a hiccups? Hic! Yes, I do. I know how to do it. Boo! Hic! 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 I know how to do it. Boo! Ah! Hic! 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 We need help. Don't worry. Bada the pony is here. I know how to do it. Boo! Ah! Hic! 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 Oh no. We must find a way. Don't worry. Windows 95 is here. I know how to do it. Boo! Ah! Hic! 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 Don't worry, I'll find the camera. Okay, I have a camera. Say cheese, cheese. Great. No more hiccups. Yay, no more hiccups. No more hiccups. Yeah. Thanks to Splat and Klasky Super. Yay, I did a great job.